there.
0 hours.
Today I am going to tell you how to download or delete sound themes in Commentary Screen Reader. Most of you all must be knowing what is Commentary Screen Reader, but for those of whom you amongst you all who do not know what it is a screen reader launched by China which will help visually impaired people navigate through their mobile phones. So let's start. Now, what are sound themes? Sound themes are certain sounds which we can use on the place of default sounds which are provided by the phone, so as to make our screen reader sound better. Okay, so now let's see. First we have to go to settings.
Apps, double click to activate media. 85. App screen. Kahoo, Zoom, Game, Samsung, Calendar, settings, double click to settings. A software, later button. 8. Notifications, status bar, do not disturb, double click to activate it.
We will go to installed services. First we'll go to accessibility.
Showing items 24 to 36, 34, about phone 31, software update 29, accessibility.
Now we will go to installed services.
11, installed services.
Now I have my Commentary Screen Reader. I will go over there.
6, select 5, 4, commentary screen reader.
Now I will go to settings.
Commentaries 1, commentaries 2, settings, double click to commentary screen reader.
Now I will go to download additional resources or something like that.
12, help and feed. 13, HEBI by IU Technology Co. Commentaries 13, 12, help and 11, user sent. 10, accessibility. 9, download additional resources. Download additional resources.
Okay, and now I will go to sound themes.
Download 1, downloaded. 2, sound themes, double click. Sound themes.
Okay, I have come to sound themes. Now I can install whichever I like.
Sound theme 1, voiceover by Zaki.spk. 2, voiceover. 3a v99,000. 4, underbar 2 billion. 5, underbar 2,259,503,634. Double click to activate it.
Now say I want to install this one, so I will double click here.
Download underbar 2,259,000,000. Download cancel OK button. Waiting. Swipe right, swipe left, cancel. Showing item. Cancel button. OK button. Double click OK. New feedback settings.
Okay, after this sound has been imported to your device, your phone will redirect you to feedback settings where you can change the feedback. Okay, now see.
Navigate up button. Feedback setting. 1, audible feed. 2, sound theme volume. Double clicked. 3, sound themes. Double click to activate it.
Now we will click on sound themes.
Sound themes, swipe left, cancel.
Now say I want to keep that sound theme which I have just imported to my device.
Sound theme 1, default unchecked, double tap to select.
So I
0 hours.
I will double tap over there. Just a second. I have opened my home screen now. Wait.
Recent button. Reset. 3, settings, double click. Feed. Recent apps.
Yeah, so I have come to my feedback settings. I will click on sound themes.
4, 5, vibrate. 4, vibration. 3, sound themes, double click to sound themes, swipe left, cancel.
Now I will keep the sound which I have just imported to my device.
Sound theme 1, default unchecked, double tap to select.
We can check on default, which is already there in our device. This sound is there already in our device because we have Google Talkback. Okay, we know that we have Google Talkback on our device. Okay, which we can use. Okay, so when we start using this screen reader, we can get additional sound themes on our device. And there is one default sound theme provided to us by Google Talkback that is already there. So now we can
2.
Set
Voiceover by unchecked. Double tap to select.
voiceover by.
3. Voiceover.by unchecked. Double
Okay,
tap
this
to
is also
select.
there. These are all my sound
4.
themes.
Unchecked. Double tap to select. 5. Smart Suans checked. Cancel button. 5. 4. Unchecked. Double tap to select.
So this is the sound which I have just installed on my device, imported to my device basically. So I will just click here. So my sound theme, my default sound will be set to this.
Feedback settings.
So now when I swipe, there will be a different sound. When I click, there will be a different sound. Okay, see.
4. Vibration. 5. Vibration. 4. 5. 3. Sound themes. Double click to sound themes. Sound themes. 1. Default unchecked. 2. Voiceover by unchecked. 3. Voiceover.by. 4. Checked.
Okay, so this sound is actually, there are certain sound themes which do not have any sound, like they don't have any sound. When we click on them, they are just mute. Okay, so there are certain themes like that. So I have installed one of those, the muted ones. So that is the reason why there is no sound. Okay, now I will change it to the previous one which was already there. Now when you install any sound theme, be careful that you do not install a muted sound theme. Okay, that, like what is happening to my device here is, it is not making any sound, it is just speaking, it is not providing this sound, okay, which comes, okay, in screen readers and talkbacks.
5. Smart Suans unchecked. Double tap to feedback settings.
So I have selected my previous voice only. Now let's see how to delete this voice. Okay, now we will come back.
Back button. Double sound themes.
Okay,
12. 4 or 1230. 15. 5 or 1234.spk. Double click to activate it. 15. 15. Back button. Double download
Okay.
additional resources. Back button. Double click. Commentary screen reader. Accessibility. Home button. 5. Content presentation. 6. Notification. 7. Advanced settings. Double click to activate it.
so we will go to advanced settings in order to delete the sound theme. Okay, if you want to delete any sound theme, first we have to go to advanced settings.
Advanced setting. Navigate up. Advanced. 1. Voice assistant settings. 2. Timer settings. 3. Automatically run. 4. Manage resource. 5. Action set. 4. Manage resources. Double click to
So
activate
now
it.
we have got manage resources, so we will double tap over here.
Manage resources. Manage resource. 1. Manage gestures. Double click to activate it. 2. Manage plugins. Double click to activate
Okay,
it.
manage gestures, manage plugins.
3. Manage tools. 4. Manage sound themes. Double click to activate
So we
it.
have got the option which we wanted, manage sound themes. So we will click here.
Manage sound themes. Manage sound. 1. Voiceover by unchecked. Double tap to select.
Now first of all, what we have to do is check on the items which we want to delete.
2. Voiceover. 3. Unchecked. Double tap to select.
So I want to delete this one, so I will check here.
Checked. 4. Smart
Okay.
Suans unchecked. Double tap to select.
I can click here also. If I want to delete this, I can check here also.
Delete button. Double click activated.
So now I have this delete option coming. I will click here, so the sound theme will be deleted.
New notification from commentary screen reader. 1 items. Deleted.
Okay, so we have got this notification, 1 item deleted. So that is how you can delete a sound theme. You can set it to default, and also how you can download a sound theme. I have showed you all through this video. If you liked my video, so please give it a thumbs up, and also you can ask if you have any doubts in the comment section. Okay, that was it for today's video. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, if you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comment section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching, bye bye.